there y'all, so welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you how to get this a beautiful voluminous look for your thin fine hair. So if you'd like to see how, then stick around and I will show you step by step. See you soon. Alright, so for the first step you want to section your hair in half. And go ahead and clip it up on top of your head. That way all of your hair stays out of the way. Now I have pretty long hair, so I pretty much have to make like a little makeshift bun for my hair. And we're going to go ahead and start by sectioning the bottom part into two sections and wrapping it around our curling wand. You can use any curling wand or iron that you want. The bigger the barrel, the looser the waves. The smaller the barrel, the tighter the waves. So my curls are pretty tight because the barrel I'm using, I think, is a 1/2 inch tapered wand. So this is the Argan heat and oil infused wand. I can't remember exactly the name. So we're starting with just making these curls go away, and then the next section will be the curls going towards our face. And I am not going all the way down to the end of my hair. I want this just to be a very messy, I really cannot say the word. I'll put it in letters above. I'll probably sound like an idiot if I try to say it. But here is what we're with so far, and just let that cool. So now we're going to go ahead and do the same process for the other side. Away from the face, and hold for about 30 seconds. I could have had the iron hotter, but I didn't. I just don't want to burn my hair. My hair is severely damaged, guys. I did try to go blonde last year, which I pretty much did, and fried my poor hair. So, and now that these pieces are done, we're going to go ahead and hairspray the hair just to make sure that stays set. And this is my Equate extra firm hairspray, which I think for looks like this, you probably don't want to use something like this. You want to use like a soft hold hairspray, something that isn't as, you know, as like crunchy. Is that the word I'm looking for? Crunchy. So now I'm taking down some more sections of my hair and clipping up the other section. I think clip it into 3 sections. Yeah. Fuzzy. Nope, my kitty's trying to scratch his claws on my chair, of course. So now for this section, we are going to go ahead and tease this section underneath. And you see, I use the hairspray there. That is a good way to hold where you tease in. I've seen other girls use that method, so I decided to try it. And this is what gives you that extra volume and oomph for your hair. My cat's driving me crazy, guys. I'm going to separate this into 2 sections and do the same method we did on the lower part. And I'm going to go ahead and speed this up for you so you don't have to get bored watching me hold my hair for so long. This video would have been like 30 minutes long if I hadn't sped this up. So, and as you can tell, my grays are really shining through. Go ahead and do the opposite direction of away from your face, which would be towards your face for the curl. My cat's staring at me, guys. It's he's on top of my chair. Okay. So do the same thing on the other side, clip it up. I had way too much on that side, so I had to take another section, like 4 sections for that side. One side of my head has more hair than the other side. I don't even know why. Split it in half and do the same process. Yeah, it's very repetitive. So I'm going to go ahead and stop jibber jabbering, and you can just watch me finish out the rest of my hair. And if you want to follow along while you do your hair, then be my guest. I'm going to start some music, some relaxing music, and then I'll talk you through the next process or the next step to show you how to get the waves or the curls not so nuts. Alright, so now that we have teased and curled our hair to the high heavens, we're going to go ahead and use our fingers to comb through. And if your fingers aren't working, which they weren't working for me, I'm going to go ahead and get my comb and comb through my hair. Now, look at this. Look at this volume. It's just nuts. I probably will start doing this a lot more because it lasts days and days for me when I do this kind of method. And the only reason I don't do it that often is just because I hate brushing out the teasing. The teasing is very, very hard on your hair. So, and I do believe there are things you can buy that you can put in your hair to make your hair look lifted. I think I'm going to invest in that. So, go ahead and start working around with those teased parts and brush out towards your, and my bangs was way too teased. So, there we go. And yeah, gotta go get that comb. So, comb it out. And I really am glad that I have a hair oil. In this section, you really want to get a hair oil to help smooth things down and make sure things aren't frizzy, which I have some severely bad frizzy hair from my hair growing out from damage, and I have to have oil or something to smooth it down and make it not look so crazy at the roots. So I am just going to pull out my hair oil, which I will share after this. I will share it with you all and smooth my hair out. So I'll be right back and I'll be talking to you about the products I used. Thank you guys for watching.
Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching my video. I just really quickly wanted to get on here and tell you what I used. I used the Equate Beauty Extra Firm Hold Hairspray for the teasing part. For the hair oil, I used the Garnier Whole Blends Illuminating Oil. This stuff smells amazing. I don't know if they still sell it at the store, but it's very good. You could use any hair smoothing oil. For my hair curler, I used the Argan Heat wand. And then I used a teasing brush that I got from Sally Beauty Supply. Any teasing comb or brush will work. I hope this video helped you achieve some volume in your thin, fine hair. I know I struggle with very flat hair. My hair's super thin, super fine. So if you all enjoyed this video, thank you for watching, and I will see you all in my next hair video, which will be very fun. It's going to be an Amazon hair tool that is supposed to be like a Dyson knockoff or something. I don't know. We're going to see how it works together. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you all very soon. And if you enjoyed the video, please leave me a like. That helps greatly on this channel. So yeah, see you all in the next one. Bye guys.